Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. In version 83 there is a thing called anchoring, and this is going to help you also customize your new home environment, which I know a lot of us aren't too happy about, but I do like this idea. So if I have a window that I would always like to be up, so maybe I want my settings to always be up. Once you have that window open, in the bottom there should be the three dots. You can click on that and hit anchor, and as it says there, it's going to attach this window to the environment. So now I can take this and maybe I want to put this here against the wall. To bring it closer into myself while I'm holding it with the front trigger, I'm just moving the joystick on the right controller, and I'm just going to put that on the wall there. Now that's going to stay there. If I go in here and start up a game, maybe I want to play Walkabout Mini Golf. So here I'm in Walkabout Mini Golf. Now let's go in and exit. Turn this way, and there is that settings menu there. So it's staying there, so I can always have that up. And sometimes there are settings that I want to change on the fly, and I don't like to have to go through the menu every time. It is nice to just have it here on the wall. To move it around, you can just grab the bottom there and slide it around and move it wherever you'd like. If you want to unanchor it, just hit unanchor, back to just a regular window, anchor, and now it's an anchored window. So you can have multiple windows up. Maybe you have a browser tab that you always want to be open. You could put that there as well, and that will stay anchored there for you. So this is one other way that you can customize these new home environments, and I do like the idea of anchors. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.